One of the crucial aspects of our pedagogy is detour, which is learning through travel. So before we implement detour, we thought it was very important that they are aware of their responsibilities as a traveler. So for that, we got in touch with Mr. Prakash. He's the founder of this brand called Wiser by the Mile. They are into design and manufacturing of safety garments and accessories for bikers and outdoor adventurers, etc. Through him, we got in touch with Mr. Michael Dugdale, who is an outdoor adventure coach and a life skills trainer. He and his team came and we did a one-day workshop for our foundation students before their trip. Alright, so this workshop was covering three main topics. The first one being plan and preparedness. When you go to a place, what do you need to expect? And based on that, how to plan. So right from what you need to pack, what you need to avoid, how you are traveling, and what are your responsibilities there. Then it went on to risk management and assessment. What all could potentially be a surprise to you, or it could be a crisis. It could be in terms of being aware of the climate there, being aware of the food options there. What could go wrong, or what is the worst that you need to be expecting so that you are prepared for it. And the third was response to emergency. So in response to emergency, we were introduced to dealing with situations like dehydration or a heat stroke or choking or general physical condition. And we were also given training on giving a CPR during an emergency situation. So these were the three aspects that was predominantly covered, and the students also got a hands-on experience because they got their mannequins and all, on which we could try and practice the whole process of CPR. Though our plan was only about our travel, like when we travel, everything needs to be fine and everything needs to be in control. But beyond that, what we realized at that point is it's not a training or a skill that you should have only when you are traveling. Unfortunate events could happen in a bus or in a park that you are going, or in a restaurant. Having these skills and gaining the confidence to act at a point of such urgency is definitely a great addition to your general life skills.